Costa Rica lifestyle.
We are at Jaco Beach in Costa Rica, and today we are surfing.
We've never surfed before, but we're very excited to try. I've skateboarded a little bit when I was like 7 years old.
I snowboard like once a year. I've actually watched some videos of skateboarders and snowboarders that try this out, and sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. So we're gonna see how we are. It's gonna be exciting.
We're excited though.
Let's go. Let's do it.
What's up?
What's up?
Costa Rica lifestyle.
Oh
We're
yeah.
ready for the waves, you know what I mean? Aloha Josi Surf School. We're locals, we grew up here, we are the best of the best.
And what, ¿Cómo te llamas?
Eli.
Eli. I'm Dalton.
The legend. The legend continue.
Let's go.
What type of boards?
Longboards. We're beginners. Yeah.
All right, excellent, excellent.
So,
yeah, this is wide for the stability, thick on the rails for easy paddling.
okay.
This one. And how big is the other person?
She's about 5'2". She's this
all
tall.
right. It's your girlfriend?
Yes.
All right, excellent. So for your girlfriend, this one right here.
Hey,
pay for them.
yeah,
we're gonna set them apart so nobody takes them.
Perfect.
And when you come, this is our parking place. You can park here. We also have the chairs with the umbrellas for rent if you want to spend the whole day here. When you guys come back, I will wax them.
Okay, thank you so much. Do we
welcome.
pay right now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Okay. And then when we come back,
Sure.
park right here, right? Okay.
Yeah, this is the entrance, so you will need to park like this. But I will help you with that when you come back.
Okay, sweet. Thank you so
Pura
much.
vida.
Pura vida. Gracias. Good morning. Baby, it's time to wake up. Hey, it's time to wake up. Oh my gosh, you got goggles on. And you have the bikini.
Are we gonna go surfing?
Oh, we're going surfing. We're going to go snorkeling, it looks like, with your snorkel goggles.
This is so I can play mermaids efficiently. Pura vida.
Do you want to learn how to surf as a beginner? Because today, we're going to teach you.
We've never surfed before, but we've watched a lot of YouTube videos and we feel confident that we can teach you how.
So let's get to it.
Before you can get on the real board, you gotta draw a fake one.
Yep.
At least that's what YouTube showed us.
So what we'll do, we'll draw a straight line and then literally just draw a surfboard. What you can do, you can also trace out your surfboard if you want, or you can just freehand it like what I'm doing right now. So now Daisha's gonna draw her line. My surfboard looks kind of wonky. Let's see if yours is look better than mine. Oh, yours is so pretty. We're gonna get on our knees. You're gonna get on your belly and act like you're paddling with your hands, okay? What you don't want to do, you don't want to go out like that.
You don't want to do that.
Yeah, it'll actually make you lose momentum. Once you're on your belly and you see a wave, make sure you turn the board and let the wave catch you, okay? Let it catch you. Make sure your hands are inside the board, not outside the board, on the edge. Oof. Put them inside, push up,
Oof.
Left leg up. If you're left foot first, or if you're right foot first, you do right foot first. And then you pop up. And you almost... Yep. That's exactly what you do. Go like that. And anytime you're going, make sure your hands are always pointing.
Oh my gosh!
I know, you got a lot of sand on you now.
They have surf lessons over there. We probably should be doing that because we've never surfed before, but I don't know. I mean, someone had to do it for the first time and he didn't have lessons or she didn't have lessons. So, I mean, we don't need lessons. We got it. We watched YouTube, so we got this.
So, when you get your board and you walk out, you don't have to automatically get on your board. What you do is you walk out, pass the wave, and once you're, the water's like right here, you can probably get on the board. And whenever you hit the waves, just start, you know, going over it with your surfboard. And whenever you're ready to surf, what you're gonna do, you're gonna boogie board and body surf with the surfboard, just to get used to it. Once you do that, you get used to it 2 or 3 times, you come back out, and then whenever you're ready, you go to a little shorter area and you start working on your pop-ups on the really small parts of the water. You don't go all the way out first, because that looks like, oh my gosh, I just saw someone. You saw that? That guy looked like he was about to get taken out. Anyways, I'm not nervous. This is gonna be fun. You ready to pop up? Hands inside.
Si tú te tiras, yo me tiro, 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 tiro. Si tú te tiras, yo me tiro, 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 tiro. Si tú te tiras, yo me tiro, 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 tiro. Si tú te tiras, yo me tiro, 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 tiro.
Oh. So first round of surfing has kicked our butt. We're not sure if we need to get lessons or not because we are terrible at it. We can't even stand up on the board. And the waves keep hitting us. And then we see this old guy just go right past us.
Shredding.
But no, what?
Look, there's 2 people on that board.
There's a little kid on it. Locals here.
It's okay. You can trust us to teach you though.
Yeah, we know what we're talking about, we just can't do it.
Do what we say, not what we do.
Yeah, the beach isn't that packed. It is a Saturday, so we thought it'd be a lot of people here.
It feels really good out here.
It's very hot.
It feels amazing.
Yep.
Oh my god, I love it.
I put on some sunscreen. You did not. I like sunscreen. She likes to get burnt.
Daisha in 30 years, 40 years is gonna be watching this, saying you should have put on sunscreen.
We're about to hit it again, so we'll get back to it.
Okay. I'm burnt, and I'm a walking bruise.
I am sore, and I am also burnt, but not as burnt as she is.
I have to wear a long sleeve shirt today. That's how burnt I am.
We definitely enjoyed trying to surf for the very first time, but we did wipe out a lot.
A lot more than we got up. We got beat up out there.
Yeah, those
I
waves.
was getting bullied all day yesterday. You should see my bruises.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I have some on my arm.
And we were kind of rubbed raw right here
On our
skin. Yeah, because of the wax. We kept paddling and stuff. Every once in a while we like sat down on the board and waited for the wave, but most of the time when you pull up, it like pulls it. It's just, I didn't even want to do it this morning. Yeah.
Oh, I still wanted to, honestly. I was like, I wanted to.
It's the idea. The idea is there, but the burning of the sun and
it don't want me to.
The salt water. I know I breathed in a whole bunch of salt water in my nose, my mouth, and got in my eyes a lot.
Yeah. So if you get an instructor, if you get someone to help you, they really do help you, because we was watching and they kind of would face their board in the direction for them, and then they would give them an extra push to make sure that they got in front of the wave.
But they were also giving some really good tips. Every once in a while, one of the instructors that saw us from afar was telling you to...
He would give me some tips. He must have felt bad for me.
We did Aloha Josi Surf School. They were amazing. They accommodated us with surfboards and a beach chair with an umbrella. And the guy that was with us, his stepson, actually helped us with a lot of our footage.
Luca.
Luca! There you go. Good job. High five. Nice.
Shout out to Luca.
Shout out to Luca.
What's up, Luca?
We were very overconfident in the beginning, but at the end, the waves and the beach humbled us. And now we're paying for the price, but it's memories that you make that will last forever.
Definitely worth it. Worth the memories, worth the pain, like anything else.
Oh yes. Oh yes. So yeah.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Woo!